No traffic, no business. A simple and to-the-point fact. You can have the most fantastic product or content on your WordPress site, but if no one visits your site, then it is easy to get discouraged and just quit. Before you throw in the proverbial towel and give up, I want you to know that there are some basic steps that you can take in order to drive consistent, long-term traffic to your WordPress site. Tapping into the power of social media is one of these steps, but when done incorrectly, it can easily backfire and blow up in your face. Email marketing is another traffic magnet that is simple to begin but easily overlooked. These and other traffic generation methods are detailed in this set of WordPress training videos. Now, the overall theme of this set of training videos is traffic generation, plus detailed steps on how to work smarter, not harder, in order to drive traffic to your WordPress sites. I made these up-to-date videos with the beginner in mind. So whether the video is 2 minutes or 8 minutes in length, you can rest assured that I covered every step of the process and left no techie stone unturned. Now, I've gathered snippets of a few videos in this set for you to see and listen to the quality you're about to receive. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business, and many of the techniques we're going to be covering in this training set can be looked at as a buffet of sorts of traffic generating methods. You can use the ones you want and not use the others. Now, a couple of points to be made is that 1, you should already have your site in place before you begin trying to drive traffic to it. Duh. 2, your site should not be some reject from the 90s. This video is going to detail just one way to create a quick video for us to upload to these various video hosting sites. And like with what we did with our PowerPoint slides, we're going to repurpose the existing article that we posted on our site already. As a matter of fact, what we're going to do is, in this video, we're going to take a quick look at paid advertising to generate traffic to our WordPress sites. Now, paid advertising, or PPC, that's pay per click, can generate great traffic as long as you monitor the analytics associated with that traffic and properly adjust your keywords and other metrics. Then you can see more income than expense. The main problem for a lot of people is that they spend, but never track things, and as a result, never see a return on their investment. So the first thing that I would suggest you do is set up an account with Google Analytics.